In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome step by step. We'll walk through downloading and installing Google Chrome, switching your default browser in Windows, and if you want, bringing your bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history with you. By the end, links you open on your PC will launch in Chrome instead of Edge. First, download and install Google Chrome using Microsoft Edge. Open Edge and go to the official Chrome website. Click the download button. Then run the installer file that appears at the bottom of your screen or in your downloads. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, select Yes. The installer will take care of everything automatically and open Chrome when it's done. You might see a prompt asking to make Chrome your default browser if you don't handle it there. Don't worry, we'll set the default in Windows next to make sure everything is consistent. Now, open Windows Settings. Click the Start menu and choose the gear icon labeled Settings. In the Settings window, select Apps and then choose Default Apps. This is where Windows decides which program opens each type of link or file. In the search bar under Set Defaults for Applications, type Chrome. When Google Chrome appears in the results, click it to open its default settings page. If you are on Windows 11, click the Set Default button at the top of this page. That applies Chrome as the default handler for web-related links in one click. If you are on Windows 10, look for the Web Browser section. Click the current default, which is likely Microsoft Edge, and then select Google Chrome from the list that appears. Windows may confirm the change, just approve it from now on. When you click a link in apps like Mail or open an HTML file, to bring your browsing data with you, open Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner, choose Bookmarks and Lists, and then select Import Bookmarks and Settings. In the window that opens, pick Microsoft Edge as the source. You can include your favorites, saved passwords, and browsing history. Click Import and Chrome will transfer that information so you can pick up right where you left off. This step is optional, but it makes the transition smoother. That's it. You've installed Chrome, set it as your default browser, and optionally imported your data.